channel. Today on my channel I will be teaching you how to prepare my ginger, beef and vegetable stir fry. Come with me guys and I'll show you the ingredients I will be using today. Right here I've got my sweet yellow peppers ready. Here I've got my chopped beef ready. Here I've got my ginger and garlic ready. Here I've got my chili peppers ready. Here I've got olive oil ready. Here I've got green peppers ready. Here I've got sugar snap peas ready. Here I've got corn starch ready. I've also got baby corn ready. Also I've got sugar ready. I've also got my dark soy sauce ready. Here I've got my cooking pan ready. Come with me guys and let's get cooking. Now it's time for us to marinate our beef. I'm going to start first by adding my oil into my soy sauce. As you can see, in goes my oil, in goes my sugar, mix, and afterwards in goes my cornstarch and mix. Next, it's time to pour it into the beef and ensure it's properly mixed into the beef and set aside. As you can see, it's well mixed into the beef. Now it's time to set it aside to marinate for 30 minutes. It's time to start frying guys. As you can see, my pan has just heated up. In goes my olive oil. In goes my ginger and garlic and stir. Next, in goes my chili peppers. Stir. Next, in goes my sweet peppers. First, I've just added my yellow peppers. In goes my green peppers and stir. Next, in goes my baby corn and stir. Look at that, the color is coming out really nice and yummy. Next, in goes my sugar snap peas. Stir. As you can see, the colors are coming out really nice. I'm gonna allow to heat up for 1 minute and then I'm gonna empty the whole vegetables into a bowl. Next, it's time to fry my marinated beef. As you can see, my pan has just heated up nicely. I'm now going to add my olive oil. Now it's time to add my beef. In goes my beef and stir. As you can see, beef is really frying nicely. Now it's time to add all my fried vegetables. In goes my vegetables. Look at that. It is looking really nice, inviting and tantalizing. This dish right here will go really well with rice or noodles. Trust me, it will be heaven. I can't wait to dig into this yummy dish. Do you want to try some with me? Guys, dish has been served. Look at that. Look at how yummy, how inviting and how delicious my meal is looking. Honestly, this is delicious. What are you waiting for? Have you already subscribed to my channel? If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, go to the right side of your phone and press subscribe. Also, do not forget to turn on the notification button so whenever I post my video, you will be notified. Thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to share and like, and also go to the comment section and let me know what you think about this yummy dish. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Ciao.